again, I live here, raised my children here, so I wasn't happy with the way things were going, as was the case with a handful of other people. It's been kind of, a grassroots community effort to make things change. So what I see now is moving in the right direction. Everything about these several blocks was perfect for Main Street. We've got these great restaurants here drawing crowds in from all around the city. Certainly not just in this neighborhood, they're coming from everywhere. Hey, I just kept struggling with what do we have in common, what's different here. And what rose to the top for me was urban agriculture. There was a very forward movement in urban agriculture in this neighborhood. It's been going on for a lot of years here. So I felt like that was a good thing to build on. We decided to do a farmer's market because it seemed like a really good fit to continue the theme of food. So it's kind of evolved, and I think that that's one of our many strong points. We don't have beautiful structures, but we have really great people, and we're finding our way as we go along.